Bye.
All right. This is a little song that I wrote. Actually wrote it on the banjo, but that's completely irrelevant. This is called, no, I don't even know what it's called. It's called the pickup truck. It's called Pickup Truck. Ha! Why don't you take that pickup truck and hit the road? Why don't you take that beat-up suitcase and take a stroll? Why don't you drink another beer? Why don't you break another meal? Why don't you take your time to suck and hit the road? You know the devil, he always laughs, laughs. Now you're still, you like road glass. You shine bright in the light like a dog you always buy. You get down to the bone so fast, but the hearts are always open too long. And the jukebox plays only sad songs, and you always stumble back home, smelling like perfume and liquor, and your money's all gone. You know that heaven, it doesn't seem too far away. Oh, at night I'm on my knees, I always pray that you won't find your way back from your broken day, back into our home to stay. Yeah, but those bars are always open too long, and the jukebox plays only sad country songs, and you always stumble back home, smelling like perfume and liquor, and your money's all gone. Why don't you take that pickup truck, baby, hit the road? Why don't you take that beat-up suitcase and take a stroll? Why don't you drink another beer? Why don't you break another beer? Why don't you take your time so and hit the road? Thank you. Well, I say thank you, but I don't know if you clapped. I liked it. Goodbye.